What up, fam? Chi-Chi here today. We got another unboxing. You can tell by the title, your girl did a thing. And yep, this happened. There's a whole situation that went on with this because, girl, from the ordering to me starting to like this, I was just like, who are you, girl? This bag originally dropped, I think, the pre-orders were last year, 2020, and it didn't ship out until maybe like April of this year. So I thought this was a one and done type of collection. And to my surprise, Telfar actually redropped this bag. So this is the freaking box that it came in. Girl, I ain't doing all this. Shoot, my arms hurt. It came in this bag. Packaging. Come on, packaging. Come on, girl, get undressed now. Here we have it. The UGG Telfar collaboration. Let me try to give her some screen time. So when this originally came out, I was like, I really don't, ride for Uggs like that because me personally, I'm just not an Ugg girl. I just don't like the look of them. Here they're very warm, but it's just not a me thing. And I ended up passing on this bag. So as time went on, I was like, you know what? I kind of like this. I think Carla Simon, she ended up unboxing a UGG edition too. And I was just like, I kind of want it. So your girl was on StockX looking at the prices. And I was like, I really want it, but do I want it that bad? Right when I was going to pull the trigger, they made the announcement that they will be restocking this bag. So I was like, okay, girl, yes, we can get into it. We can get it for retail. And it retails for $290. So, StockX is going to be like $390 and plus. Day of the drop hits. Now, I'm on vacation at this point. So I don't know how, my family's Wi-Fi is really going. So I'm like, oh, okay. So I believe this launched at 9 a.m. and I was like, all right, cool, I'm here. Let's do it, blah, blah, blah. Get it in my cart. Put my credit card information in. When to go pay? Nope. Sold out. I was like, are you kidding me? I missed it. So I was pissed. I was just like, my nieces and nephews been watching Squid Game all week. And like, that's how I felt. I felt like a girl got shot. Round one. I was gone. So then Telfar ended up posting that they will have another drop of this at 6 o'clock. So I'm like, do I want to get my heart broken again? Do I really want to go back to the Squid Game? I just got out, okay? Do I really want to go back? And your girl went back. I was like, fine, let's try it again. Maybe it was a glitch because normally once it's gone, it's gone. So for them to go back and say, hey, there's going to be a launch at 6 o'clock, I was like, there must have been a glitch in the Matrix because they normally don't do that. So I was like, okay, cool. Hopefully it wasn't on their Telfar TV, which I understand the premise of the Telfar TV, but girl, I have a whole ass job. I can't be watching TV at my desk to scan a QR code. So I was hoping that it was on the website, and it was. So I was like, cool. Order went through. Your girl was happy, all right? This is the medium size Telfar, and it's really, really nice in here. This is the genuine, I guess, suede and the shearling, which I was happy about because the regular Telfar bags are vegan leather. This is not tunny. This is not imitation or anything. This is the real materials from UGG. So if you were planning on getting this bag, this ain't this one for you, sis. Here's your standard interior. You have your zipper compartment right here with the newly added Telfar zip. I think this was a feature on the previous version of this bag, but hold on, let me see if I can get you a nice little picture. You can see that zip is the Telfar symbol, which is nice. I love little details like that when you can relate it to the brand. And you also get a UGG Telfar dust bag included with your purchase. I'm gonna leave it like that because I like how it's folded up. But honestly, like, this is dope for the winter. And that's strictly what I got it for. Shearling is top of the top when it comes for trends this year. Shearling and puffer items. So I was like, yo, this will be so cute for the winter time. Like, mad cute. So on the back, it does have the UGG X Telfar logo, so you know it's real. I honestly love the fact that the interior doesn't have that obnoxiously long tag. I'm really happy that they didn't put it in this bag because I freaking hate that damn tag. But it is what it is. But oh, in person, it looks really good. It looks really, really good. I'm so happy I waited, number one. And number two, I was able to actually score this bag because look at that. Tell me this don't scream winter. Tell me it don't, because I know you're lying. I really wish Telfar would do a little bit more with real materials instead of the vegan leather, because I'm not a fan of the vegan leather. I'll be honest with you. I still buy his stuff, but I'm really digging this. He has a drop coming up with moose knuckles, and it's going to be like all puffer things. He already released the duffel bags, and there's a puffer shopper tote that I'm low-key, high-key, like kind of want. Like, I'm not sure if I'm going to pull the trigger. I might try to get it, but I know that's going to be hard to get. Just like this baby, but this is really nice. She doesn't have any feet, standard with, you know, they're normal bags. So I'm actually happy that I did get my hands on this. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I think this may be my favorite Telfar. Like, my black one is right now my ride or die, followed by the mini olive one, even though I do want that in a medium size. But right now, she's giving it. She's giving it. I'm very happy that I got it. So check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.